What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unbind your Ninebot E3 Pro from the Ninebot app. First, what you need to do is open Segway Mobility app. Then it will be connected to your scooter. So you see Bluetooth logo appeared. You're connected now. Go to the settings, find here unbind the vehicle, click on it. Then it's showing to you what you should do. Okay, unbound. Then you enter last 4 digits of your email. Let me do it now very briefly. And at the end you click unbind. Are you sure you want to unbind? Of course. Okay, you don't see it. Okay, yes. Then unbound successfully. So Bluetooth disconnected. Then you will not see your scooter in the Ninebot app. As you see, it's fully removed. So I have other scooter, but not this. And basically that's pretty much it. Very simple. As you see, not connected anymore. Just waiting for connection, but not connecting. And thank you very much for watching. Put a thumbs up and see you next time.